All right, we're live. Forgot that we're live. I forgot. So this is gonna buy Rex though. Though. Interesting day, chat. Interesting day. All right, chat. I'm just waiting for the baby. Mom, I'm tired of saying a lot. I'm sad as hell. I don't want to talk. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam, my boy Muhammad Anas. But I'm looking for sales here, chat. I want to see if they could offer us that, but it does not look like it. We do have SMT versions, but wrong timing, man. I can't take the SMT. Let's go, boy. Cringy, what's good? What's good? What's good? Yo, what's good, boy? Trader, what's good? What's good, Trader? Oh, shit. I want to see what the market do here, though, chat. I want to see the market do, because I don't got those setups here. So if it does go up or down, I'm risk free until tomorrow, probably, then. Let's see what's cooking here, chat. I want to participate in this move, but I need to have the entry. We as well have a daily CRT to the downside with a daily, with the hourly confirmation to the daily CRT right over here, which is fantastic as well. Mark is stagnating right around here. Stagnation. I see your T in the 6 a.m. candle. The 7 a.m. candle, I don't really care if you put at the low. The 6 a.m. candle is what I care about. It's currently doing a expansion, reversal, expansion, retracement, reaccumulation in the lower time frame here. So let's see if we can get another expansion or we can get a manipulation and eventually an expansion. Let's see what's good here. Let's see what's good. Market just tweaking up in a bit. Because we'll have S&T with the Monday and Wednesday here. Just fantastic as well. SMT. We got, I think, what is it called? I think core retail sales today, right? We have our boy Fed Chair Powell speaks very soon. Hell yeah. He's gonna talk about the cut rate shit. That's gonna fuck up the market good. Hey, yo, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, my nigga? What's good, what's good, what's good, my boy? And a Parmar. What a goodie, what goodie, what goodie. I mean, it does make, I mean, dollar is below $1, right? So it needs to pump, you know what I'm saying? It needs that shit. It needs that pumpy, brother. It needs to pump back to $1. It needs to pump back to $1. Because XY being at 99 cents doesn't make sense because of the dollar. Today he's gonna talk about the thing. Today, yeah, but Powell's gonna speak about some sort of cut raise and shit. Cause he needs to do that shit. So let's hope he talks about it, right? So I'm looking for AU to manipulate lower first when news comes, then continue high. Thought, and that is a good theory there, right? If it goes lower, I'm gonna be done for the day because my drawn liquidity is right down there, right? Right at the hourly 1 a.m. CRT low is my drawn liquidity, and the near continuation to the downside. If it does that, it's gonna be my drawn liquidity, so I'm gonna be done for the day, right? So I'm not gonna be, I'm gonna be risk off until market gives me a good setup. This whole week, like I had a setup on Monday, Tuesday. But those setups never offered me my type of entry, so I didn't take it. Today, yes, Monday, SMT happened, but the Monroe one happened outside of the kill zone. Tuesday as well. And on Tuesday we had another trade as well, but that we couldn't take that either because the wrong model won, right? So we do have a setup on this trade, but I'm not gonna take it simply because of the wrong timing. Time is more important than price to me, and I'm gonna stay by that. You know what I'm saying? Because right now, chat, it looks like the 5 a.m. 5 a.m. entry looks good, but long term ain't gonna be like that. Every time I fucking broke my rule, I always lose. I'm not breaking none of my rule, and I never will. All right, let's see if you look at pairs first. So, yikes, buddy. Now only got S&T, which S&T is not gonna perform here. There's no absolute way S&T diverges performs before this alley candle closes. Here's S&T with the correlated pair here. Let's see what the Mergi wanna do. News in 15 minutes. Let's see how the news performs here, though. News performing. Let's see how that goes. Let's see how the news performs here. I thought this high right over here had a S&T divergence, but there was no S&T there, man. Bad effect, man. Stagnation, stagnating. Let's see how the news comes out. The news could better help us. Shout out to my nigga Tony Banking. Let's see. Let's see what the market do here, chat. Let's see what the market do here. The daily candle low has no wick, man. Are you live only in YouTube or any other platform? Soon I'll be live in Kick, man. Fuck YouTube, chat. Once I get more attraction, I'm probably gonna be more live on either Kick or Twitch. YouTube, you know what I'm saying, as of right now. Actually, fuck that. And actually, they want to be live on both. Why not? 3 actually. On YouTube, Twitch, all that shit. Because I use my YouTube sometimes for, journaling. As you guys know, there's 3 types of journaling. You could either record yourself, you could either, do a textbook, or you could go online and do it online. I like to do like, recording as well sometimes, right? When I record it and I hear myself talking about it, it makes me like, it makes me respect it more rather than just like, yeah. You read the, you know what I'm saying, the journey in your mind, you don't give a fuck about it. Just scroll past it, right? Scroll it. But in YouTube, you listening to that shit. Your mind is talking to you. You're just talking to yourself and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? I know what I'm saying. Yo, brother, what's up? What's good? What's good, boy? Yogi, what's good? All the press, I got you, man. I got you. You need to do this shit anyway. I'm sleepy as hell, chat. That's good. And my shit was sleepy anyway, so yeah, that shit brought me back to life. That shit brought me back to life. Ooh. Chat, every other coin is performing except of my coin. Something seems wrong. Hi, sir. Walid Hamza. This is Walid from Bangladesh. Mad respect to you, bro. To you, bro, for what you're doing here. I appreciate it, sir. God bless you. You keep doing this. Bless you. Keep doing this. I got you, man. No problemos, man. Walid Hamza. I like the name, brother. Holy shit, chat. I'm sleepy as hell, dog. I couldn't sleep straight today, man. It was crazy. But yeah, chat, there's literally no setups here, man. Fucking gay. Gay. He was being gay today? For real, bro. A shout out to my Bangladesh. Oh shit, I gotta say it right. Bangladesh. Wait, hold up. Bangladeshi. Shout out to my Bangladeshis, man. I think I got multiple Bangladesh, you know what I'm saying? People from Bangladesh, man. I am from Bangladesh, Sersky, man. I got multiple supporters from there. That's nice. That's nice. My boy, I think what's his name? MD Tamim was from Bangladesh. Where is that gym girl? Bro, recently, bro, I've been cooked, man. I ain't gonna lie. I've been just trying to get my life together, man. I've just been boxing too much, man. No, no, sir. I'm Wally. Yeah, yeah. But I'm trying to say I got multiple people from Bangladesh, right? And I've been trying to box recently, bro. I've been pissed off, man. Trying to beat a nigga up, you know what I'm saying? I gotta take rest too, cause my arms damaged hurt. Bro, I hit that guy in the face, bro. My own knuckles started hurting, bro. I was like, damn, bro, what's wrong with your bitch ass? Lose in 6 minutes. There's no wick on a daily candle, bro. That's you know what that means, shit. You know what that means. Oh, Mark is tweaking here, bro. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Jay just going up and down, bro. All right, news in 5 minutes. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Chat. Let's see, let's see. Let's see. Come on, man. How far is the setup here, brother? Bro, this fucking market is pissing me off, bro. Every time we come in a market, man, every time I try to look at that market doesn't give a setup. Come on, man. But Chad, we're no longer gonna go all the down here. It doesn't make sense to go here because you could do a transfer match to do another expansion. Oh shit, I put it the wrong way. I like my shit. Aesthetic. Three minutes of news. It's not gonna do much. News pub not gonna do shit. Bro, Corey to sales on a third week. Bro, after at CPI, PPI, FOMC next last week. What is it gonna do? Nothing. Fuck man. Damn. Bro, I do a GF, bro. Shocked. Hey yo, nigga was good. What's going on, bro? No, was good. Was good. Any stop loss today? No. No trades yet. I'm waiting for a setup, but market doesn't want to offer me here. Okay, market could do a manipulation here. Could do a expansion, reversal retracement expansion, retracement accumulation, manipulation expansion. Oh, I ain't doing shit. Oh, we didn't do shit. I thought it was gonna expand here, bruh. Bruno, how you doing, Bruno? What the fuck is the market doing here, bro? What are you doing, man? A mover. Jesse Pinkman. So it's good. Nice, I'm good. Hell yeah, man. You know, Bruno, you should always be good, man. You're the market maker, man. That's what you are. Really, the market didn't do shit here, bro. What is wrong with the market? Hi, bro. What's going on, boy? HM, Akib, Cup. Bro, we high TP only, no soul stop. Exactly, man. Feeling cooked. We might be cooked, bro. The market is tweak up in a bit. You know what I'm saying? And the good thing is though, my boy Benny, my boy Yogi took the sol. My boy Yenny sold above the weekly opening price. That's a very beautiful thing though. That's very beautiful. Indicator name, brother, is ICT Activate Candle by Fadi. And these are the settings for it. Right? And yeah, these are the body. You know what I'm saying? All that shit. And a baseline is 1 black. Right. Like that. Oh, nice, bro. This ski. But chat, my bro, Bruno's already yeah, Bruno's I mean not Bruno. I mean Yogi is already chilling. He's in profits already. He's already break even, right? But my boy, Yogi, did you profit from here, right? You profit from here, right? You profited around here because the CRT was this. Hopefully profit there, bro. If you don't profit there, you're a crackhead. Crackhead. Hey, what's the RR on this bitch? This RR on this bitch is like a what? Yeah, you made it back out of that shit. 4.2 RR. And he's still in a trade. So if it goes up, hey, you risk free. If it goes stop loss, hey, risk free again. If it goes TP, more money. Type shit. Type shit. Bro, I can't catch the move, bro. The fuck is the market doing here, bro? Push somewhere, bro. Let's see where the market gonna go. Are you bullish? I am bearish, my boy Haifa. Chat, you guys may be bullish on this day, but I'm bearish, bro. Fuck bullish, man. You know, you guys know this. I don't give a shit about it, man. Bearish on a day. Bearish, we're not bullish. Bad pricing for all assets. Yes, sir. Ski. Powell speaks today. Powell is gonna talk about some sort of cut rates or interest rate, something like that. He's gonna talk about that today, right? So when he yaps about it for today, it's gonna bring more volume to the market. Damn, G was pushing while E was tweaking, bro. Come on, what are you doing, EU? You push all down here, please, please. As well, chat. Keep in mind, we have a daily, we have a 4-hour ERL to IRL. Why do we not keep this IRL? This IRL is inside the CRT, right? And this is the range you're entering out of. Where am I from? I'm from the Earth, man. People ask me so many questions on this. Where are you fucking from? Where do you think I'm from? Huh? From right over here, bro. I'm from Earth, man. Y'all care so much about nationality and shit like that, bro. At the end of the day, if you're black, if you're white, we humans, bro. At the end of the day, we humans. We ain't no different, man. We're more similar than dissimilar, man. Y'all get me, chat? Y'all get my wisdom what I'm trying to say right here. Y'all Mexican, he's from India. What are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? People like to value different. If you're Mexican, they think I'm a border hopper, right? If you're Canadian, you think you're stinky boy, right? So they value differently based on your nationalities. We all at the end of the day a human being, man. We cannot, you know what I'm saying, value each other differently. Salam salam, my boy. See you later, my boy Haifa. Don't we create SMT at the low to see low to hope don't we create SMT at the low hope to see it get invalidated? It's probably gonna go super, it's probably gonna super out as well, man. This is I like to do that shit. I mean, for my trade, this low is gonna be my drawn liquidity for the day, right? Because of the, it's not gonna be my take profit, because my take profit is gonna be here, here, and here, but it's gonna be a drawn liquidity because I'm using this 1 a.m. as a, you know, way to enter a shorting position. But damn, my boy Muhammad, honestly, you're literally hoping for somebody's downfall here, bro. It's crazy, bro. Holy chat. Crazy. How Big Man was gay too? Crazy. Wishes for somebody's downfall is crazy. You wish for my boy Yogi's downfall, bro. That's crazy, bro. But Yogi's a goat though, so you can't, he doesn't affect him. Yogi's the only one I think to the short position because he's the one who traded Lennon, right? Oh come on, Monkey can't just do that shit, man. There's a big ass wick here too, so he does need to go down here. But look at this candle though. Big ass hourly bearish candle. Holy. This could be used as a range to keep that in mind, Shutter. And EU being gay for real, bro. My boy Yogi, if you're in a trade and you know you're going to take profit, bro, just put an alert and just hop off the chart, bro. You don't want to get emotional. You don't want to cut your, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to, get emotional or something. I know you're not gonna get emotional, but the market's going up and down like this shit. You're gonna fuck with your shit. You're gonna fuck with your emotions. You're gonna mess up with your technology. Alright, we're gonna have one last shorting position at the 8 a.m. candle. The 8 a.m. candle is now for the shorting position. We're not taking no fucking trades. We're done. You're done, buddy. You're done, buddy. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. My take profit is gonna be TP1, but this is gonna be as a break even here though. Will it be the break even? I will use a TP1 of the because this is my initial take profit. I will probably use it as a break even, right? Because this we're trading on this range, right? So because it could go, let's just say hypothetically, you need a short position, right? We took a short, hits TP1, market reverses back up, it can hit as a break even, right? Because we're trading this range, so this range, the drawn liquidity on the range low got met, right? So the market goes back up, there's no pressure here. Right, but our take profit one is going to be the same take profit as Yogi, which is down here. This is going to be my drawn liquidity if the market doesn't offer us trades. If the market doesn't offer us no trades, and these drawn liquidity got met, we're done for the day. Oh shit, wrong one. Wrong one, bro. Wrong one, wrong one, wrong one. And the entry, the take profit to this right over here must offer us a 2RR. And there's not a legit high here. Okay, so we're looking for this high to get purged and get another purge. We're looking for a expansion, retracement expansion, reverse retracement expansion. Because the high of this is the 8 AM candle, right, that we were marking. This 8 AM candle we're marking here. So that's a 7:55 AM candle, which is the different candle range, which is the different hourly candle range. So this high needs to get a double purge here. I mean, probably not gonna do that. It's probably just gonna go lower from here, man. I thought I was gonna do a retracement here, but probably will not do that shit too. I got 50% out and rest at break even now. This is a small ass week. Bro, I imagine we in and Hunter lost and he does this. Yeah, bro, it's crazy, bro. Hunter lost and the market does this to us, bro. But market, the numbers are moving what? 100,000 up, 100,000 down every fucking second. I got 50% out and the rest of that break even. That's good because you're up what 4RR. So 50% partial. You made what 2.2RR something like that, right? So yeah, you got another 2% running or 1% running, which is very nice. Just let these runners just let the rest of the 50% run because you already made your profit for the day, right? So you chilling. You are very chilling, bro. You know what I mean? I made a mistake yesterday, buys and premium. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir, you the GOAT. Nah, you the GOAT. You the GOAT. How can I be the GOAT when there's no setups for me, man? Jack, I bet you if we take this short, it's gonna go on a loss, okay? I want to take a loss because I haven't traded like in a week now, right? So taking this loss brings me back alive, man. Fuck it, dog. I need a loss. I need to lose. That's what I need. You like to win, but I like to lose. Low key, when I don't take a trade, right? I mean, I don't have the problem, right? I'm not like, oh yeah, you know what I'm saying, emotional just because I didn't take no trade. But I wanna get in that state again where, you know what I'm saying, I come back alive. When you lose, chat, you guys lock in so hard, bro. It's way better than winning, bro. You made a mistake yesterday. You bought in premium. I mean, hey, man, learn. It's not a loss at all, man. There's no losses, only lessons, right? Even if this trade goes on a loss, it's not a loss. It's just a number. Buy, sell both. Buy, sell both. For real, bro. Market is pumping here straight away out market open. What the fuck, man? Usually what Wednesday candle do, because since it's a classic candle, right? As you guys know, Wednesday's the highest probably candle out of the week, right? What Wednesday likes to do is he likes to open, go up higher for the first half of the day, right? The first half of the day, which is between the A session and London session, right? Go up higher, reverse against the, go against where the market's supposed to head to, eventually go lower from there, right? or like open, lower, meant to go up higher, right? But shit is not doing that shit today. Holy, we need that shit to happen low key, cause we need that, bro. We need that. We need that. I think we catch a situation here. I'm looking for a new situation at this point. Then why am I looking for a new situation? If I'm bearish, I would need the lunch to be the high day, not the low day. In this case, lunch to be the high day. And if the 5 a.m. high gets pushed, am I looking for a short here again? There's an SMT here, so this 5 a.m. high should be protected here, right? So let's see. Let's see. Interesting. Market gonna go all the way back down. Holy, holy, what are you doing? What are you doing? And I hate bitches like this. I hate shit like this. Holy, holy. Fellow Nick bro. Fire protected cells after we take 5 a.m. protected cells after we take a high of 8 a.m. Hopefully, man. Hopefully. But I low key do not want to see that low. I do not want to see this, 1 a.m. I do not want to see this candle low get pushed first because you can push up high from here, right? I want to see this high get pushed first, then go lower. But if you push out the low first, it is what it is. We're done for the day. We're off the charts because that's gonna be our drawn liquidity, right? So yeah. Because you guys see how we're standing, we're like, setting standards, right? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, that's some advanced English right there, but we're setting standards. Hey, what's going, boy? Truck driving gamer, man. How you been, my brother? How you been? How you been, Mr. Gambler? Mr. Truck driving gamer? Khabib, nigger runoff. Good man. How are you? Does today trader have any volume? Nah. Nigga smile XD with girlfriend or chart. Ah man, I can't put my girls on a screen, man. They don't like that shit. Bro, guess that's from his crush. Nah, bro, I don't got no crushes, man. Bitches be liking me. I don't be liking bitches, bro. I'm a pimp. Girls be ruined, bro. I hate girl at this moment, right? At my life, at this moment, I love females, right? But right now, bro, these girls are so annoying, bro. Piss me off, man. I'd rather be lonely, man. You know what I'm saying? Every time I talk to them, I get a headache. They always try to win an argument. I'm like, bro, trying so hard to determine that you're right, man. I get a headache. I can't even sleep. I can't even sleep. I can't even sleep straight. I wonder how you're going to react to this video. I'm gonna react very nice, man. One thing they need is money. Bro, fuck the money is the thing they give you too much problem, bro. Money's not the problem here, man. They're ungrateful. Anything. Bro, market tweaking, bro. What's the market doing here, bro? Your G watch your videos? Nah, bro. Like this, like even if they watch it, man, I couldn't give a shit. I'm gonna talk my. I talk shit in front of her, bro. So it doesn't even matter. Like all they do is, bro, sleep during the daytime, awake during the nighttime. Like, bro, I ain't doing all that shit. What's up, bro? What's good, my boy Shanzar? What's good? What's good? What's good, Chi? What's goody? What's goody? Bro, market is tweaking up in it, bit, bro. What the fuck market doing over here, bro? Come on, offer the setup here. How's your boxing skill, bro? Okay, shit recently, bro. I got my ass beat yesterday, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. He gave me that beating. He gave me that beating. That's all I'm gonna say. But how do you gonna expect me to be a military, you know what I'm saying, a army person? How the fuck you expect to beat that guy? That plus he weighs 215, plus he's jacked. Yo, I ain't beating that motherfucker, bro. I mean, I was weaving and shit, but like, I ain't letting nothing special, bro. Cause that guy was, bro. There was like literally no corners over there, bro. Market makers watch you live for real, bro. They watch me live and not offer me no setups, bro. What is the market maker doing, bro? I need to call King Charles III once again, man. Let's see though. I'll be back. All right. I see you later, my boy. Truck driving gamer. Shit, we didn't have a setup here, but the setup timing was wrong, though. We didn't have we did not have, it was not a model 1, it was a rejection block entry here. That would be the entry because of the auto block there. The wick right over here is overtaking the body, right? So you would enter out of the wick instead of the body, but I can't take a trade because literally yesterday I had a setup like this the day before. I couldn't take it because, you know what I'm saying? Wrong timing. 4.7 RR just to that is crazy. Let's see if we can get a scenario where we can use a rejection block entry. Today would have been the rejection block entry because the model, as I said, the wick is always taking the body here, right? So the rejection block would have been it. But literally, I was right over here waiting for another SMT to happen, but Marky never gave me that shit. Marky never gave me that shit. 9 a.m. market started big distribution. Yes, because I think for Nico Rosa profile, it's profile 1, right? 1 M accumulation, 5 A mid patient, 9 expansion. 9 could expand upside downside. It looks like to expand to the downside, at least to right over here. Time, price, it's Sersky, man. But sometimes, bro, you like that gets you in a form of problem. Like, yo, I'm gonna miss a move and shit. But yeah, man, we just gotta be resilient. We gotta have resilience. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Let's see. GU is performing very well though. That's nice. Boom. Purge out the high. Umbro 1 here. I mean, on this case, you would have wanted to not enter out of that model while you enter the threshold. But if you guys were shorting GU for the past three days, bro, y'all would have been wrecked. Yeah, y'all would have been wrecked, man. Salam brother wa alaikum assalam. How you doing, my boy? Site Tech. How are you? Alhamdulillah, man. How about you, my boy? How about you? Let's see what the market do here though, chat. Let's see what the market does here. Right when it goes below this low, chat, we're done for the day because our drone is gonna get mad. Put out the entry, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck, man? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, that's racist, bro. What does it mean by all charts? This nigga always playing Fortnite, bro. It's crazy, bro. That nigga Invert always playing Fortnite, nigga. I've never seen that nigga stop playing that shit. Nigga got fluffy tits. It's my weakness. Alhamdulillah, bro. Just waiting for Nasdaq to do something so boring. Oh yeah, bro. You caught that long on Nasdaq a couple days ago, bro. That was crazy, bro. I was in a one-on-one session with somebody. We just talking about, he wanted to do a one-on-one session with Nasdaq, explanation. Fortnite 2025 is crazy work, not gonna lie, for real, bro. Bro, I look low key, bro. It's crazy. I mean, it's a good thing though, cause I mean, if you play Fortnite, right, you have that trenches mindset. You know what I'm saying? Most do, bro. Most do. I think one rich guy who is from Orangey, he's a multi-millionaire. He used to play Fortnite a lot. Yes, sir. I caught that. It was a big sell stop, so I went on mini NQ and used micros. Yes, sir, ski man. I was just talking about. I think I still have the photo of it, right? Nasdaq 100 SFT, right? I think I have the photos over here, right? Yeah, right over here. I was just talking about the push here, the near continuation buy, another buy on Monday as well, and another. There was no entries on London session, right? But yeah, I was just explaining, what I'm saying, what's been happening around Nasdaq recently, right? IRL to ARL, sear to the downside, right? And all of that shit, right? all that crazy shit. Currently we have a weekly CRT to the upside, weekly ERL to IRL. We have a monthly as well here. Monthly IRL to, monthly CRT to the upside, all the two over here. I'm pretty sure we have a 3-month as well. 3-month CRT look at soon. We go 3-month CRT high. You'll probably make a new all-time high very soon. This push to the downside was just a dip to buy, bro. Very nice. Because that guy literally, when I was a one-on-one call with him, he said he only took a buy to this high right over here. So he didn't make that much bag out of it. So he was questioning me like, yo, where should I hold that shit to? Shit, if you're holding all over here, it's still going to be in a trade. You know what I'm saying? It's still relatively going to be in this long trade until the next couple of weeks. My boss said, why don't you use IFG for entry? It's not. IFG everything works here, right? It's not what do you call it? To me, it doesn't happen every time, right? But there's always gonna be a model one, right? Every single time, it's always gonna be a model one. The IFG is not always guaranteed to be there, right? Model one is guaranteed to be there, but it's not guaranteed to get tapped, right? So that's the difference, right? IFG is not going to be there sometimes, but order block will be there, but IFG could get tapped while the order block wouldn't, right? So it has both pros and cons. It's just based on your, acceptability, like, I'm saying, your choice. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you pick. Let's see what the market do here, though, chat. The 9 AM candle should be expansion. This should be moving here, though, without freaking out. This should definitely be moving somewhere here, bro. Very true. IFG isn't always present for entry, so sometimes I will enter out of the CISD or CISD, retracement back to the fair value gap. Yes, sir, man. There's also a IFG, the 15-minute time frame in EU. Yeah, as I said, though, I don't trade that, right? But usually IFG, when I'm trading Total Soup, bro, when I'm trading Total Soup with IFG, bro, I'll be using IFG hella, bro. I use it more than, than a CISD. Because a Total Soup, I'm trying to get, because Total Soup, you have to wait for that, early buyers and sellers to, you have to wait for that early Total Soup traders to be stopped out, right? And you have to trade on 1 minute time frame, right? Sometimes. So I'm just waiting for the first fair value to get inversed and I'm trying to enter out of that shit. And yeah, but you must have the perfect, Total Soup though. You must have that standard deviation, a good stop loss and shit like that. You have to trade for forex. I'm not gonna lie, everybody else be switching to futures, meaning more volatility. That's, bro. I'm probably gonna switch to futures as well in the future, bro. In the future, inshallah, I'll probably go to futures as well, man. Futures, cause I literally saw that you could trade forex. I mean, you could trade forex pairs in future prop firms, right? So which is nice. Even without that, let's just say per se, I can't trade forex. Futures is there, right? Cause bro, I hate this shit. Cause like my slippage is so wide, bro. A 0.36 slippage, like, bro, might as well just take the whole thing from me, bro. Takes a whole 2 to 3 hours from my trade, bro. Cause that right there is hectic, though. I went to quit futures. Not gonna lie, I don't know really if it's halal. I mean, as long as you trade, as long as you trade prop firms, is halal, right? As long as you trade prop firms, halal. But other than that, what I'm saying, you can move into stocks and shit. I mean, I'm not sure, bro. But prop firms, they're not gonna pay you. They're not gonna give you the money that you actually made. They can pay you money from the, from their bank account and shit, right? So that might gonna be halal. I mean, even yeah, not gonna lie. Even like if you guys know Romeo, he barely trades futures, right? He trades more of EU because I think maybe to him, I think he has that problem, same problem as us, right? I mean, I saw him trade, Nasdaq, but he says I don't trade Nasdaq that much. I more often trade EU because it's more, because of the religious stuff. But I saw one of his trade, bro, crazy, bro. Motherfucker took a long ass trade, bro. Actually, chat, the same trade we took, right? He took the same trade, but he held it for 3 months straight. It's crazy, bro. How the hell are you gonna hold a trade for 3 months straight without selling, bro? Literally, this trade that we took all the way down here. Which one was it? Was it that one? I'm pretty sure it was that one, right? Literally, this trade that we took, he held that bad boy till he's still holding it. That's crazy, bro. He's holding it till the 6-month CRT high. There's a 6-month CRT right over here, right, chat? CT look at soup, we're gonna CRT high. He's still holding it. It's crazy, bro. I literally, if you're seeing his recent tweet, damn. I got out in what? I got out in 3 days. He's still holding it after 3 months. I think now it's 4 months now. Yeah, now it's 4 months now. That's some crazy work right there, bro. Holding a trade for that long. I'm trying to get like that too, bro. I'm not trying to trade too much, right? I'm trying to trade like 1 time a month. Not a month, but like, you know what I'm saying, 1 time a week. But reduce the, trades, but make more out of it, right? Quality over quantity. That's what we're currently trying to do, but it's not that perfect though. But yeah, chat, if we're gonna let this hike Gbpusd, we're gonna be selling above the 4 opening price, the daily and the weekly. So let's see how that goes here. But I'm looking for a expansion. Tap the CRT high, retrace me another expansion, another reversal, then eventually retrace my expansion. At the CRT high, there's not a legit high there for this specific range. But there's a lot of volume here though, which is crazy good. We're waiting for Powell to speak here. I'm waiting for Powell to speak. Powell, man. 1:30 p.m. I think future trading is way easier than trading profits, bro. I'm trading forex profits, bro. I literally went to one of my great old friends. He had fucking 40, 50K accounts in futures and a prop firm, right? I'm like, bro, what do you have 40 accounts or 50K account? All their patch and shit, right? I was like, why do you have so many accounts of that? And he said, like, no, he said, like, what I'm saying, he said something like, I don't launch to do the 150K accounts because they offer way more slippage and spread. So just do the 50K. I'm gonna have more accounts, but guess what? There's gonna be way more pros and cons. I was like, you smart, bro. Because even right now, with a 50K account, you be getting a huge wide ass spread, bro. All right, let's see. I think, come on, can we get at least a SMT? I need SMT. I need SMT to back me up. Come on. Oh yeah, we're gonna have SMT with the quality pair with GU, bro. Yeah. We're gonna lose it though. So my initial take profits, that's right over here, that's low. So I'm looking for a chat. I'm looking for this high to get Gbpusd. retracement, looking for legit how to get created, eventually looking for repurge of that high, eventually going lower than which bro, like just like that, you know. But yeah, Chop Fest. What does Chop Fest mean, chat? Oh, market chopping. Oh, okay, I get it. I get it, I get it, I get it. All right, chat. Let's see if we can have a setup here. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I look. You want to see this? I want to see this high get respected though. Come on, man. You gotta respect this 5 a.m. high at least. Cause SMT diverses, bro. Do your thing, but give him the respectation. But yeah, if I'm bearish, I need the lunch limit to have it and the low day in case the lunch limit to high every day. So I'm looking for a new continuation to the downside. It as well be the continuation to the upside, but there's no setups to the upside at the moment. I don't see no setups to the upside here. Yeah, there's no setup to the upside here. They did offer the body. It's like you got souped again. Yeah, there's no new contribution to the upside type of move. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, take profit one gonna be here. No, take profit one gonna be right over here. It's gonna be a partial, not a partial. I mean, it's gonna be a break even spot. Why? Because we're in a. Why do I say this is going to first take profit? Because this take profit right over here. We're already in a. We're trading below the daily time frame, right? So we're trading in a bigger range here. So the bigger range gonna be a take profit, but this range gonna be right over here. We're into the smaller. We're in a smaller range to take profit at a bigger range, right? So right. So we're doing that. We're gonna use it. We can use it as a break even. Take profit one, take profit two, and last take profit is gonna be right all down here. So yeah, it's probably gonna take like a couple of days for it to take profit. I ain't gonna lie, chat. But yeah, I'm looking for this how to get repairs here. Let's see if we're gonna create a bearish candle here. If we create a bearish candle, then we can look for the how to get purged. And my initial take profit is right over here, so you must offer a 2 hour to down here. سورة التوبة يسر الدساري full recitation. Oh, this surah is so beautiful. But yeah, I think my auntie, not my auntie, I mean, my mother's friend gave me this book. جزاك الله خير الماما. I love their mom, man. Their mom is such a beautiful mother, man. I don't fuck with their father though. Their father is a bitch. I know his bad thing about his father. I'm not gonna talk back behind him though. I love him too. But his mother, I love it. Just like my mother. Rajashan is spaghetti, bro. Yes, sir. Just like wow. Okay, we're gonna become spaghetti today, chat. Our cow's gonna become spaghetti today. We're gonna get that red, inshallah. Inshallah, man. Let's see if the market could give another purge here. I'm looking for a bearish candle and eventually a bullish candle. I eventually look to short that bit. Holy plumber by day, face by noon, bro. It's crazy. Why this 1 hour high? Not valid because the you know what I'm saying, not legit high, man. Because of the high right over here. I'm looking for repairs. I'm looking for a bearish candle, and then another bullish candle, make a new high, eventually go down lower. So it's gonna be an A. It's gonna be, bro. All that means is a lower time frame practice shit at the higher time frame key level, or at the higher time frame CRT, right? That's all that I'm trying to say, right? But we're trying to predetermine that by just looking at the high and low of the CRT. That's usually, as you guys know, ICT talks about the lower time frame price action at the higher time frame key level or the higher time frame CRT, right? All the way of doing that just by looking at the high and low. The high is not legit high because this high right over here, this candle is from a different candle range, different hourly candle range, right? We don't trade that hourly candle, we trade this candle, right? So we trade in the specific range. So it says we're trading a timed range. That's what I'm trying to say, right? So we don't want to get confused that by, you know, we don't want to get that confused. You know what I'm saying? Because the highs, the market's controlled by highs and lows. If the market's controlled by highs and lows, if there's just like a random ass bearish candle, that bearish candle does not have enough liquidity, right? Shit like that. What's the indicator name? Man, y'all all asking me the indicator. I got you, man. ICT high from candle by Fadi. All right, is that these are the, you know what I'm saying, DDD settings. You could put fair value gaps and shit like that too if you really want it. But I ain't do that shit. I gotta stop being a crackhead, man. Damn. But this Alishati high gets disrespected by the 8 a.m. candle, we're done for the day. We're not looking we're highlighting to, I mean, I don't want this high should not be getting souped though. SMT there, buddy. SMT, man. There's SMT, bro. Don't do this shit to me. 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 Nah, man, I had it, but I forgot the name, and I didn't put it in my bookmark, so I had to ask you. Okay, buddy. Hey, you got it right over here. Make sure this time you put in your big work, okay? This is a good thing. I mean, it's a good indicator either. I mean, this indicator is very nice though. The reason it's very good is because of the, what are the shit's called? It gets you that, you know, open how locals concept. Why sells higher analysis paralysis, please? I will give you my higher time frame analysis paralysis, okay? The reason I'm going bearish here is, you know, if we go to GU here. You go to GU here, man. We have a weekly ERL to IRL. Will the market go down here? No, because there's a weekly gap that's going to be open. There's probably, if the market goes down here, hypothetically goes down there, it's highly to be a gap for the next week. So next week we're going to stay there, right? So we have a weekly ERL to IRL, weekly SMT CRT to the downside. On the weekly time frame, a weekly SMT is not going to work in your favor most of the time. It's only the daily SMT that's going to work way more in your favor. But we have a daily contest here too, right? On the daily, we have a daily ERL to discounted IRL. Why do I say this daily ERL to discounted IRL? Because we have a daily range here, right? Market first made a daily range, shift to the low, shift to the high, stable low, stable high. The market did a 50% retracement. Now this is the expansion daily range, right? So, and keep in mind, expansion daily range, market does not need to go all the way into the discount area. Sometimes you can just go expand here, right? But if the market does do that, I suggest not taking a trade. Wait for the high to get soup, then eventually look for a trade, right? Because that will mess up with your it's gonna be hectic. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, right? But what else do we have here? Why do I say a premium? We have a daily ERL to this IRL. The discounted. Why do I want to keep this IRL right over here? This IRL, this is in a premium region, and premium want to sell, right? As well, this IRL is in a daily CRT. As well, have a daily S&T CRT to the downside. That's why the final tip is right over here. Other than that, we have another daily CRT to the downside. In the lower time frame for our context and narrative, we have a market price at a low, price at a high, stable low, stable high, premium discount, and people want to sell, discount want to buy. We're both in the premium region at a higher time frame and the lower time frame. So you want to sell to the discount, which is right to the daily range, to the daily SMT low. What else do we have here? We're selling in premium. Other than that, we have a range high, range low. How come this is our range high? Because daily CRT high. How come this our range is low? Daily CRT low. What? Keep in mind, it could fail as well, right? Because nothing has a 100% win rate, right? So keep that in mind as well. We have a New York, at the moment, near continuation. Although it looks like, well, you know what I'm saying, this candle, the Asian is low today, so aren't you supposed to look for a New York reversal? Correct. All right, we could look as well look for that as well. But the reason we're looking for a continuation as of right now, if the other candle gets disrespected, we're no longer looking for a continuation. We're looking for a either no trade or a reversal, right? But why am I looking for a near continuation here? Because you can see this high right over here. If I'm bearish, I want the London to make the high of day, not the low of day. In this case, I mean the high of day. So I'm looking for a near continuation, right? Simple as that. And other than that, we have SMT here. We have SMT with this high to this low, right? We have SMT everywhere here, right? And as well, we have a range here. What is our range in the 4-hour time frame? Our range is this candle right over here. How come it's our range? Because this 1 AM candle offered a multiple 1 to this range. So that's still our range. But if this candle, if this high right over here gets souped, then this candle is no longer our range. The new range is going to be this candle right over here, right? So it's going to change. But as of right now, it's going to be this is our range. So that's all we have here. As well, we have a 4-hour ERL to IRL. Why do I say this IRL and not this IRL? Because this IRL is inside the CRT. And keep in mind, it's just my theory that was backed by proof. I'll show you guys why I do this, right? If you guys want examples, I'll show you guys right now, man. No worries. We go back in time. Why did Provide get fail? 2 reasons, right? No, there's only 1 reason here. Keep in mind, there was no daily ranges here, right? Because market shifted high, shifted low. It did a 50% retracement and eventually expand back to the downside. It was just a ERL to IRL. This IRL failed, right? Why? Because it's inside a CRT, right? And people are wondering, well, this could have been an expansion daily range here, right? It could have been an expansion daily range. Yes, but guess what? The fucking the expansion daily range, the narrative changed to a bullish narrative, right? So the daily range is no longer that expansion daily range is no longer validated. So as you guys know, everything could fail here, right? And my boy said, don't miss entry. Got it, man. Wait, what a surprise if we What is price even going to now? Got it, man. Don't miss an entry. Yes, Sirski. I will not. I'll try not to. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay, so I'm looking for this how to get purged one more time. Then I'm looking to entry, right? Chat. I'm looking for this how to get purged. Then I'm too short. Otherwise, no trades. Or I'm done, right? That's all I care about. Otherwise, we do it. You know what I'm saying? But that's why my narrative is bearish, okay? So, yeah, I'm not going to take it short unless the market goes back up higher, push out this high, goes up back lower. I mean, it needs to push out this highs, but there's liquidity here, here. You need to go back up higher a little bit, niggy. It didn't even push out this high right over here. That's the crazy part. So right when this high gets pressed, we're looking to execute that bid and lose that money. That's what we do. That's what we're supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're good at. Losing money, man. But yeah, gotta be patient. You gotta be patient. But yeah, and probably wondering, well, T, with that, well, the CRT inner circuit trader, will this be your initial take profit? My initial take profit with this range. Why? Because the 4-hour range right over here, I'll use it as a break even right here, right? Because I'm initially supposed to enter the trade to the downside from here, but I'm using a smaller range and different range to execute it down here to catch the same trade, right? So to catch the, later move of it. But let's hope if we get let's hope we get a setup here. Ain't no way. Carter said, yes way, man. He gay. But what we're looking for a market profiling here. We're looking for a, oh shit, we're accumulating here. So we have a expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, retracement, accumulation. We could potentially go up a little higher. Once we push the high, we could have a manipulation, expansion, right? Or we could do a, you know what I'm saying, go to lower, a little bit lower here. Could be a expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion. We do another, this could be a reversal. Retracement, it could be another, holy shit, there's too much going on here, right? It could be another, you know what I'm saying, expansion, retracement. It could do another expansion here. Or it could be accumulation, expansion here. Because this, you can't even tell what's happening in a 15 minute. Look at it's a 5 minute. Okay, so 5 minutes says expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion. You could have another retracement, expansion, reversal, go below this low, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, right? So 5 minutes makes more sense now. So there is that retracement phase. The mark goes below here, could confirm a reversal. Brother got lost. Bro, there's too much going on the price action over there, man. I can't tell what's happening over there, man. I can't tell. I can't use my brain anymore from there, bro. We got SMT. We got SMT. Tuck shake. Tuck shake. Tuck shake. Hey, we needed that confirmation, bro. We need that confirmation at least. Like SMT confirmation is what we need, cuz. That's what we need, cuz. You know why we need that shit, cuz? Cause like, you know what I'm saying? SMT always a good thing. That was a good thing. A good thing, good thing. Okay, we got an SMT divergence with this high as well. which don't even matter. I want to see this 5 a.m. Loki souped here, bro. It would be fantastic. In DXY, in GU, it doesn't soup it out. In EU, it doesn't soup it out, I mean. And let's see if this SMT divergence will work out. Or will we lose? Reversal retracement expansion. Oh, boy said reversal retracement expansion. Oh my goodness. My boy said GU SMT at the low of what, brother? Can you further explain? Bro, how does my boy Benny know like the exact word I'm saying? Expansion. That's how I usually say expansion. I say like that. What? For a candle. SMT. So about the low. Well, this one didn't. I mean, did that give a confirmation? 845. It never gave a confirmation to it, right? But it could give a confirmation to it right now. Actually, it just did give a confirmation to the trade. Are you gonna, do you want to catch that, that shitty ass RR there, bro? And there was a body as well. Body's low probability. Hey. My boy Muhammad Honest, take the trade. If I take a loss here, it's a beautiful loss for me. Why? Because I follow all my rules, right? I'm not breaking my rules. If you take a win, beautiful win. You didn't break your rules. If you take a loss, okay, find out. I'm saying. I'm not going to come here and do some bullshit with you guys, man. I'm not gonna tell you guys, oh, don't take the short, don't take the long. Take that shit, man. My boy Trader has a bullish bias. Like, yo, bullish bias, take the long, bro. Don't wait. Don't wait. Don't wait. But yeah, if he goes, there's no setups for me to take here. So let's see. Unless he puts out the high first. I need that high to get better, bro. Come on, man. Let's see how my brother's doing his investment. Yeah, my brother. Wait. Did he put any more money into the Phantom? Holy. Oh, my brother had his last $4 left. My brother thinks that his $4 gonna turn into billions. I love my bro. It's funny. I said Red Pepper is still holding that shit. God, he's still holding those old ass coins, bro. This trade I'm not gonna take it simply because not as a high got price, so I'm gonna stay off risk. Looking for the high to get repairs here. Let's see if that's gonna happen. Man, it's funny, man. Some people are getting cooked in this right now. Nah, we not. My boy Yogi is not. Yogi and Profit. Yogi and Profit. Yogi up type shit. You know what I'm saying? But it's stagnating a lot though. That's the problem. That's the problem. I think Twitter is, bro. Let me check Twitter real quick. Twitter is getting cooked. Yes, bro. I just saw somebody said Marcus here to hunt me down. What the fuck? That's weird. That's so corny, bro. Marcus here to hunt me down. That's some crazy shit. Corny ass, man. You gotta delete your social media after that shit. Bro, I gotta here to hunt me down, bro. Marcus hunting me down. Like, get the fuck out of here, man. You fucking Union boy. You munchy Indian boy. Link up with the market makers. They know where I am. I am at the. Oh wait. Link up with the market makers. They know where I'm at on the charts. Hell yeah! Tight shit. Tight shit. I don't know what that means. I do not know what you mean by that, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Where you at? You're in the charts. You looking at the charts. I don't know where you at in the charts, man. I think my jokes are not. I mean, I don't get that joke. Brother. For real, brother. You know what I mean, brother? Jamaican shit. When we ball, Willie, alright. You know your baby. Bro, hey, bro, I literally sometimes have no filter, right? Hey, there were some prostitutes around where I think it was like, they were not prostitutes, they were like, just drunk, right? College kids, right? You know, they're college kids, I was like, your baby. Bitches got so scared from me, bro. I was like, damn, bro, it's crazy. 14 cookie traders, trades. Alright, that's not that funny, buddy. Habib knows I'm the one to take the bit from him. The only reason he doesn't want not to fight me. Looking for a repurge. If you get the repurge, you can look to enter the trade. If you don't, I'm done, bro. Holy shit! U.S. raised tariff on China up to 225%. Now this is just stupid. Now when? Where's the signal? Let's see, where is it at? See if we can get the repurge. Market tweaking, man. Market ain't offering all that shit. It's crazy. But actually, I didn't even check if market's getting cooked here. Let's see what's getting cooked in the EU. Damn, people long they got stopped out 2 times. I don't know, man. I don't need to check that shit. The other check it, but yapping. One got lost, and he said he put a whole paragraph, a whole book on how he lost, on why he lost, how he lost. Shit like that. Shit legit. Shit. Interesting. Market wants to pump here, man. Let's see. I want to see at least SMT, bro. Come on. I need the early sellers to get cooked, man. Please. Nigay. Bro, what's this guy named Nigay? Nigay. Nigay 42297. Monkey 1223. Oh, Monk. My nigga Monk. What's good, my nigga Monkey? Money man, that. So I told you guys, early sellers are gonna get wrecked. Expansion, retracement, expansion, and reversal, retracement, expansion. Wait, you got break time. Break time. Magnificent. Yeah, this highlight to be SMT here. It looks like they're gonna be SMT. We're selling above the weekly opening price, daily and the 4 hour. Come on, man. What the fuck are you doing? Are you serious right now, bro? Oh, that has to come back down. What the fuck? All that, all that. We're still holding the SMT divergence here. And now let's hope the fucking market doesn't respect the CRT here. Only this is the only we can get in. Bro, I know all things about CRT, but when I go to the charts, I don't know what to do. It's about repetition. That's what you need, brother. Force it. You gotta be present. So, first of all, breathe in, breathe out. Every time you get a chart, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out throughout the whole trading session, right? So you can be present because you usually you go unconscious, right? Which is not good, right? Right now, am I unconscious right now? No, because I'm talking, right? So breathe in, breathe out. Eventually, look for it, and eventually have repetition. Constantly execute it so you can get you in your brain. You wanna constantly you wanna make it a how do I say it in English? You wanna make it a second nature by how do you make a second nature? By repeating, but constantly execute. Doesn't mean just go on demo, execute and that shit on demo. Execute it. It's constantly going in your brain. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be like, yeah, I get it now. And the reason why you forget it is because the people you learn from, they don't teach you right. They don't teach you how to implement it into the market, which I do. If you go to my ETU free mastermind safety bootcamp, There's a chapter on how to implement all together. It's like that. Because people, you will go learn from whoever will teach you it, but they won't teach you the way how to implement it to the market. Okay, Sean, do that. That's when you go to the chart. I'll just go back in the chart. Just go back in the. Just go back in the. Just go back in the live. All right, just go back in the live because I've already explained my analysis paralysis. But I will do that tomorrow. Actually, today video. Don't worry. Today, I will make a video on how I do analysis when I go to the chart. Right, step by step. Okay. So today's video is gonna be that. Okay. Right now, I'm not gonna do that because I'm looking to take in a trade. I'm looking to enter a trade here, but I will make a video on it today. Don't worry, I'll do step by step. I'll be like, okay, step 1, get a chart. Step 2, step 3, looking for the specific concept. Step 4, this step. Step 5, 6, 7, step 99, step analysis paralysis. Thanks, bro. No problem, man. I'm here. I'm a consultant in trading. That's what I am. I'm a consultant in trading. That is what I am. I'm just waiting for a setup here, man. Which of your videos you recommend me to watch now? Watch my recent video. Recent video has been fire, man. Knowing when not to trade is more important than knowing when to trade, as well as how to trade New York continuation using CRT with examples. And watch my ETU free mastermind CRT bootcamp. It shows you every concept that you need to use. And when I make the video today, I'm already expecting for you guys to know the concept that I'm talking about. So all I'm gonna do is just go show it in the market, and you know what I'm saying, mark it out. That's all. I'm not going to fucking, you know what I'm saying, teach you every concept in one video. That's gonna be too long. And what time you go live? 8 a.m. EST. 8 a.m. EST. Alright? Alright, big boy. Big boy Johnny. Alright? Nessie. Messi. Who's your mentor, bro? Mentor is the chart. That's my mentor. I'm a submissive being, and my mentor is a chart. I learn from the chart. This is what I am. I ain't got no mentor, buddy. I'm the student of the chart. And there's a chart. Is a chart a person? No. But a chart tells me the outcomes, and the chart telling me to study the outcome so I don't fuck up. Simple as that. As long as you guys are submissive, you guys will learn easily. But you must be a submissive being. What do you think about TGR? Oh, that guy who fucking scams his own people, who rogues his own people. Oh, nah. I fuck that motherfucker. Never watch him, man. I never watched him. I ain't never looking at him. All I know, he scams his own people, man. He gives you a course that is officially worth nothing. Yes, he may show you the Rolls Royce, the cars, but will that car be given to you? Fuck no, right? Will he give you the car? Fuck no. All thing he could do is drop the wisdom, and the wisdom is not working, brother. He constantly changes strategy left and right. It doesn't work like that, man. No hate, but you know what I'm saying. You should never have a mentor. You should mentor in trading. Should always be a person to teach you that a person should teach you the technical analysis paralysis. Then your mentor is not gonna be the guy who taught you the technical analysis paralysis. It's gonna be the chart. The chart is gonna teach you your flaws, your pros and cons. It's gonna teach you, okay, don't buy in premium, don't sell in discount, only buy in premium when the discount gets tapped, etc., etc. It tells you, okay, when if the CRT high, that's not legit high, do not trade it because that's not legit high there. You look because markets control buys and lows. You know, you gotta learn from the touch. You said I was asking who you learned, but you said, what do you think about TGR, buddy? I gave you my thinkings, okay? I gave my thoughts to you. But my mentor is a charts, man. It's a fucking it's a charts right over here. The candles are my mentor, all right? That is my mentor, buddy. Walter White now. Oh. Oh my goodness, bro. Walter White, you. Walter White, you. Water. What are you? I'm looking for repurchase this high. Let's see if this CRT gets respected or not. If it gets respected, we're in the market. If it doesn't get respected, we're out of the market. Simple and easy as that. Right? He learned from Romeo and ICT. Yes, the technical analysis paralysis. Do you trade Nasdaq S&P? I do not. But I do give my analysis to it if you're willing to pay me, because that's what I do in IRL. And yeah, most of you guys won't be able to afford it. And we're done for the day. Market disrespected the CRT here. Market disrespected the CRT. As you guys know, for a new situation, you cannot go past the 8 a.m. CRT. Disrespected our CRT. Closure above it. You're probably wondering, like, well, give a confirmation to it, but the confirmation, it was 30% out of legit high, so there's no confirmation for me. I'm done for the day. Holy shit, man. And I see you guys later, alligator. You're probably wondering, well, are you gonna leave right now? I am really gonna leave right now. We're done. If it purchases out as 5 a.m. CRT high, I will highly likely look for a trade, but yeah, I'll look for a trade. But I mean, you know, if it doesn't offer me a trade to like 10:30, if this high does not get pushed out by 10:30 a.m., we're done, right? But as of right now, I'm done. No setups. I will highly not take a trade simply because if this high gets priced here, looking for a new situation, it will make sense to go down here, but and we need a 4-hour kilo to support this, you know, push to the downside. And a 4-hour kilo is gonna be this 4-hour auto block. But yeah, if this high doesn't get priced by 10:30 a.m., we're gonna look for a take a trade. But yeah, we're done for the day. See you guys later. Peace out, my niggas. Alright, my hair. I'll see you guys later. Damn, I'm a Chinese, bro. What the